Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Shikshan. In this video, we are going to learn Python Playwright with Robot Framework configuration. For installing Python Playwright with Robot Framework, few things are very important for installation. First one is language, what we are using. So here we are using Python language. So Python 3.11.0 version I'm using. Robot Framework supports Python 3.11.0 or else 3.12 version it supports. Higher version does not support. 3.11 is a stable version, so 3.11.0 version we are installing. Next one, Node.js is very important. Node.js LTS is a stable version, so Node.js LTS we are installing. Next one is IDE, so here we are using Visual Studio Code, so here I'm installing Visual Studio Code. After installing these three things, libraries are very important. So what different libraries we are using for automation testing, those all libraries we are going to install. Let's begin the installation with the Python. Let's go to browser. So here we will type Python org and downloads. If you go to downloads here, so here we can select Windows, Mac OS or Android. So here I'm selecting Windows. We are installing 3.11.0. So just I'm scrolling down. 3.11.0 version we have got here. So Windows installer 64-bit we are installing. So just download it. So here we have installed. Just go to folder and downloads. So here we can see exe file is already downloaded. So just click on it. Main important thing is add Python exe to path. So make sure this option is selected. So if once you install this Python, path is not required to set in environment variable. So if once you select, automatically path will be set. Click on install. Python is installing. So here you can observe pip is also it is installing. If once we install the Python, automatically pip also installed. Yes, Python is installed. Now we have installed Python. So next we have to install Node.js LTS. Just to type Node.js LTS. So go to Node.js LTS, whatever version you want to install. So go to downloads. So here you can see Windows installer. So just click on Windows installer and go to folder again. So downloads. So double click on Node.js executable file. Click on next. So select accept the terms and conditions. So click on next. So here we have to select the path. Automatically it will select the program file. So not required to change the path. So if you want to install in any other location, click on change and select the location and click on next. Automatically Node.js runtime will be selected and click on next. So automatically install the necessary tools I am selecting. If any tools are required, automatically it will install. So click on next here, click on install. So wait for few minutes, so automatically it will get installed. Now Node.js is installed. So installation is completed. Now we will install Visual Studio Code. So now we are installing for Windows 11 version. So select Windows 11. So now it is installing. Go to folder. So downloads. And here you can observe Visual Studio Code is just double click on it. So accept the agreements. Next. And select the location where you want to install. By default, it will select the user's location itself. And click on next. Next. And click on install. So go to Visual Studio Code, open. So now Visual Studio Code window is open. Now we have to install different libraries what we are using for our automation testing. First, we have to create the project. In which location you wants to create the project, just to select the location. So I prefer to create my project in C drive. So right click here. So whatever project name you wants to give, that name you can give. So I just give NAT. So now go to Visual Studio Code and click on File, Open Folder, and select the folder name. Click on Select. So project will be selected here. To select is I trust the author, and click on View and select the terminal. So whatever libraries we are using, that libraries we have to install now. So as I said, we are installing robot framework. So first we have to install robot framework, and I have already mentioned when we were installing Python. So pip is also installed with the Python. So now pip is not required to install. So just type pip command. So install robot framework. This is the command for installing robot framework. So one more thing. So if we wants to install a robot framework separately, then just you can use pip install robot framework. So one more libraries we can be install with the pip install robot framework command itself. So that is the robot framework browser. So here I'm installing browser also with the same command itself. So here I'm installing robot framework plus framework browser. So when we want to work on UI automation testing, in that case, we have to install this robot framework browser. So if you are using API purpose, or we have to use a request libraries, wait for a few seconds till it install all the libraries. So if you want to check the version and all, so we can check with the few commands. So where we can check with the Python hyphen here you can use a version, so you can check the version of one Python. Even if the Python is installed, if Python path is not set in the environment variable, so that Python won't be displayed and this command does not work, so it shows the error. So this thing we should make sure. If you got any error when we type a Python, so it means that path is not set properly. So that's why I had recommended you when you are installing the Python. So select path also. By default, path will be set in the environment variables. So Python hyphen em pip hyphen version. So pip version also we can check with the help of this command. So pip 22.3 is our version which is already installed. So now we can check version for Node.js. So Node just hyphen v we can type. We can check the version of the Node.js. So Node.js version is 24.13 version we have already installed. So now we have already installed Python robot framework with robot framework browser. If you want to check robot framework version, we can check with the help of pip show robot framework. For installation pip install robot framework, we have used to check the version pip show robot framework, we have to type the command. Robot framework is already installed, 7.4.1 version, it is already installed. So if you want to check robot framework browser is installed or not, just to type pip show robot framework hyphen browser. This is the command to check whether robot framework browser is installed or not. Here we can make sure 19.12.5 robot framework browser is already installed. Browser engine also is very important for installation. RF browser init. So RF browser init, this is the command for installing the browser engine. So now it is installing. It takes little bit time to install all the libraries required for Playwright. So now installation is completed. If you want to upgrade a robot framework or a Selenium library or else the robot framework browser, you can use the command pip install hyphen upgrade. Robot framework is a command for upgrading the robot framework version. Already recent version only installed. If you want to install Selenium library, so pip install robot framework hyphen Selenium library. So now Selenium library is installing. If you want to upgrade Selenium library, so again we can type pip install upgrade. Sometimes older version does not work for executing. Sometimes we can face issues. So in that case, you have to upgrade to newer version. Pip install hyphen upgrade robot framework Selenium library for upgrading to newer version. Now we have upgraded to newer version. So in the same way, if you want to upgrade to robot framework, so just we have to type the pip install upgrade robot framework. So if you want to work on API testing, so you can install a request library. So you can just type pip install robot framework hyphen here request. This is the library for working on APIs. So now it is installed. So if you want to upgrade in the same way like pip install hyphen upgrade robot framework hyphen request. In the same way for everything, if you want to install any library, you can just install pip install robot framework hyphen. So whatever library you want to install, that library you can add after hyphen. So if you want to upgrade, pip install upgrade robot framework hyphen any library, whatever library you are installing. So now we have already installed all the library and even we saw the commands, upgrading commands also. So now we will install the extensions. So how you can install the extension is, so just go to setting here. So you can see the setting option. So you can click on extensions. So here you can type robot framework, so that commands or extensions which are related to robot framework command, that all the extension will be displayed here. So few extensions are very important for us. So we can install robot code. So robot framework supports, so you can install this extension trust publisher and install. So now this is completed. you can install robot framework IntelliSense. So click on install anyway. So trust the installer and install. Again, you can install robot keyword. So this is the extension you can install. So here this extension have all the keywords related to robot. So click on install and you can install. So here we installed 3 extension. One is robot keyword in extension and robot framework extension and robot framework IntelliSense extension. So 3 extensions we installed here. So in the next video, we will learn framework structure we can create for robot framework. So thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubts related to any topics, you can comment me in the comment box. So I will try to reply to the comments. So if you have any, if you want any video on any topics, so you can just comment. So I will try to make video on those topics. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.